someone who is not just a colleague, but he like a brother to me. We have worked together 3 years, sharing idea, supporting each other, argument included, sometimes stress, growth granted, step by step. Please come to the stage, Mr. Abid.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, first of all, happy Chinese New Year's, boss and madam. First of all, I introduce ourselves. I joined this company 2016. So, what time I'm joining this company as a coming too much learning this company because my senior also colleague here. So, I teach with them. Now, Alhamdulillah, as one sales manager was also too much teaching with us because too much Alhamdulillah this company experienced 10 years. So this company Alhamdulillah too much learning. So as one side also too much thinking because now Mr. Azmal also there and new people also there. So much hard work and you can see after you can also sales more. So achievement principle, achievement and improvement. So exhibition, we are doing exhibition in many countries. Exhibition help us. We meet new customer. It is showing our product to this market. We will continue exhibition every year. Next, social media. This is more important for social media because now every using for social media. So this year 2026 more focus that platform also. I increase our sales this platform. Inshallah 2026 more product new bring and more sale inshallah. Thank you for everyone.